Start assembling on the ground first. First we assemble the frame and top track together with screws. The motors and belts in our top track have been installed and tested at the factory. This length in the video is 5.1 meters wide. Put the entire assembled door frame into the door opening. And use air cushions or other tools to temporarily fix the top track. Use a level to find the horizontal position of the frame, so that both sides are level. Then determine its vertical position and secure the frame with screws. After the frame is installed, start installing the fixed glass on both sides. Start by screwing it to the underside of the top rail. The fixed glass on the other side is installed in the same way. After installing the fixed glass, start installing the movable door panel. Before installing the movable door panel, be sure to put on the anti-collision strip, then put on the top strip, and remove the anti-fouling device. Hang the door panel on the fixture of the track and push and pull it first to test whether it is smooth. If there is no problem, it is installed. Install the other door panel in the same way. After the movable door panels are installed, push the two door panels to the middle position to see if our door gaps are even. If not, you can adjust the height through the adjustment screw on the top, and then close the door to check. Install the belt clip connector in the middle of the door. And then adjust the position of the door panel's damping stop according to the site conditions. Install the swing stop. The function of the swing stop is to prevent the door from swinging when sliding. After installation, we tighten all the screws and install the anti-fouling device. Install the infrared sensor. Its position has been set at the factory. After installation, power on and test. After testing, install the access cover and the door is installed.